Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving deep into the Infinix Hot 35G, a powerful and stylish 5G smartphone at an affordable price. The Infinix Hot 35G is one of the most attractive smartphones in the market, offering premium features and 5G technology at an affordable price. Designed for gaming and multitasking, this smartphone delivers high performance, an immersive display, and long-lasting battery life, making it an ideal choice for young users. Sleek and modern design. The Infinix Hot 35G boasts a trendy and ergonomic design that enhances its visual appeal. Premium metallic back panel. A glossy and matte finish back panel gives the phone a stylish and high-end look. Slim and lightweight. With just 8.9 mm thickness, it is easy to carry and comfortable to use. Vibrant color options. Available in bold colors like night black and aurora blue. Brilliant display, immersive visuals. Experience stunning visuals with a large, high-quality display, perfect for gaming and entertainment. 6.78-inch FHD plus IPS LCD, a large, bright display with 2460 by 1080 resolution. 120 Hz refresh rate, smooth scrolling and seamless gaming experience. 500 nits brightness, clear visibility, even in bright sunlight. Punch hole display, maximized screen-to-body ratio with a sleek center-aligned camera cutout. Powerful performance, built for speed. Equipped with a high-performance chipset and ample RAM, the Infinix Hot 35G is perfect for heavy gaming and multitasking. Dimensity 6025G processor, a powerful and energy-efficient chipset for mid-range 5G smartphones. 8GB LPDDR4X RAM, smooth multitasking and fast app switching. 128GB UFS 2.2 storage, ample space for apps, games, and media files. Virtual RAM expansion, supports up to 8GB of virtual RAM for even faster performance. 5G connectivity, future-ready. Enjoy blazing fast internet with support for multiple 5G bands. SA and NSA 5G band support. Seamless network connectivity with multiband 5G technology. Dual 5G SIM support. Experience the power of 5G on both SIM slots. Advanced camera system. Capture every moment. With a high-resolution AI-powered camera, the Infinix Hot 35G is perfect for photography enthusiasts. 50MP AI dual camera. Primary sensor, capture clear, sharp images with PDAF support. AI lens, enhances depth and portrait shots. 8MP selfie camera, equipped with beauty mode and portrait features for stunning selfies. 4K video recording, shoot high-quality videos in ultra-clear 4K resolution. Long battery life with fast charging. Designed for uninterrupted usage, the Infinix Hot 35G ensures long-lasting performance. 5000 mAh battery, provides up to 2 days of backup on a single charge. 18W fast charging, USB Type-C charging for quick power-ups. AI-based battery optimization, smart battery management for extended usage. Smooth software and feature-packed UI. Enjoy a seamless experience with Infinix's latest software and customization options. XOS 13.0, Android 13, a smooth, fast, and feature-rich interface. Gaming mode, optimized performance for uninterrupted gaming sessions. Advanced customization, personalize your phone with themes, icons, and UI settings. Enhanced security and biometrics. Your data stays secure with modern biometric authentication options. Side-mounted fingerprint sensor, quick and secure unlocking. Face unlock, advanced AI-powered facial recognition for convenience. Variants and pricing. The Infinix Hot 35G is available in multiple configurations to suit different needs and budgets. 4GB RAM plus 128GB storage, 12,999 Indian RAM plus 128GB storage, 14,999 Indian rupees. Final verdict, a perfect 5G smartphone for young users. With a stunning display, powerful performance, great cameras, and fast 5G connectivity, the Infinix Hot 35G is a fantastic choice for young users and gaming enthusiasts. Packed with modern features at an affordable price, this smartphone is a complete package for those looking for both style and performance. If you like a comparison with another flagship phone and you like any modifications or additional details, then comment. Comment how you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.